Air fryers are small ovens with a highly concentrated heat source and powerful fan that moves the hot air around to crisp up wings, fries, and veggies with little or zero oil. Neither deep fryer nor convection oven. One appliance manufacturer confirmed to Good Housekeeping that the fan on their air fry settings works 30% faster than the fan on their convection setting, which means that air fryers are more powerful than a convection oven. More power means faster, more even cooking with a crisper exterior and a nice fried finish that your oven can't compete with, as well as reheat times that blow away the average microwave. Plus, an air fryer requires only a small amount of oil to make foods crispy with a fraction of the calories and fat. Best overall air fryer: Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The 5.5 quart Ninja Air Fryer Max XL was the top performer in our traditional basket-style air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its easy-to-use and read buttons and clear owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's slick, ceramic interior and removable tray, which makes it non-stick. The tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. Both are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. In addition to being easy to use, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL scored the highest in performance. It produced crispy and even frozen fries, homemade fries, and chicken wings that were moist on the inside. The model we tested comes with a broiling rack for even quicker and juicier results in melty cheese. Price: $129 on Amazon. Number 2. Best air fryer for a family of 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. We were impressed with the performance of this air fryer from the makers of one of our favorite multi-cooker brands, Instant Pot's Instant. Vortex Plus is sleek with its stainless steel face and large, easy-to-read buttons. It boasts 6 cooking settings, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, with different programmable temperature and time settings. The dial allows for easy selection, so you don't have to click a button 100 times to get to the temperature you're looking for. The air fryer basket is large, 6 quarts, and square, which creates more cooking space than its round competitors, making a smart home investment for a family. Its removable tray has a thin, hinged handle, which allows for easy removability, but also lays flat to not disrupt the cooking area. Price: $104 on Amazon. Number 3. Best air fryer toaster oven. Cuisinart Digital Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Cuisinart was the first brand to introduce a toaster oven air fryer that allows you to toast, bake, convection bake, and air fry. We tested the pictured digital version, which not only made the most evenly colored toast, but also the crispiest air-fried food in the shortest amount of time. The rectangular 11.5 by 10-inch air fry rack offers a large cooking surface and sits atop a drip crumb tray for easy cleanup. Since introducing the toaster oven air fryers, Cuisinart also introduced a smaller version with the same features and quality performance. Number 4. Best-selling air fryer on Amazon. COSORI Air Fryer. The COSORI's 3.7 quart square basket offers a lot of cooking space, especially compared to its round competitors. It's removable and lightweight, with many vents for optimal air circulation. The control panel is loaded with presets that are programmed with recommended cooking temperatures and times, including a preheat option, which is not common on air fryers. The COSORI air fryer can also be used on a manual setting if none of the presets are the perfect fit. In our tests, the COSORI scored high for ease of use, and over 800 5-star reviewers on Amazon agree. It also made good fresh fries and wings. Frozen fries required almost 10 minutes less than the manufacturer's instructions, so keep an eye on the goodies you're cooking. Steam came out of the air fryer during cooking, which caused condensation to develop on the drawer. This steam did not seem to affect results. Price: $99 on Amazon. Number 5. Best Large Capacity Air Fryer GoWISE USA 7 Quart Electric Air Fryer. The GoWISE USA 7 Quarts air fryer is the one we turn to most for cooking in large batches since it's so big. In our tests, it air fried crispy fries and juicy wings that we kept going back to no Sean. Its air fryer basket has an oblong shape, which allows for more cooking in a single layer than round baskets, and is big benefit when it comes to dehydrating. This GoWISE air fryer comes with 3 additional racks that stack, which sets it apart from others on the market. The racks stack, which allow you to air fry thin and dehydrate up to 4 layers at a time. Price: $98 on Amazon.